Hi bazala bami Zitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami Zitho, it's about episode 18. This is episode 18 and season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu. Guys, today's episode, hey, bokunzima. Yazi bokunzima. Let's just start about scene 1. Scene 1, we know that uMusamseleku invite abantu bakubo, ifamily yakubo, so that they can meet wife number 5 and bazo celebrate naye ukuthi uyaphila nani nani, beyenza umsebenzi angithi it is a Thanksgiving, so bekababizele lokho. On scene 1, scene 1 iqhubeka from yesterday's episode whereby umayeni ucela nje ubhuti kaMusa ukuthi ucela nje ubhuti kaMusa angabachathi nabantu noMusa, cause uMusa namakhosikazi ayi-4 bacela bamamele into yakaMusa. Into le esho uMusa ethi uMusa ocela abobhuti bakhe ukuthi ucela baye ngaphandle bayomitha number 5 ngaphandle ngoba khona amakhosikazi ayi-2 angafuni ukubona unumber 5, not knowing ukuthi unumber 5 uMakhumalo naye akasafuni ukubona number 5 simply because unumber 5 ubuya ngakubo. Guys, a lot of people ke angathi nabantu they are divided into two. Some people they saying Makhumalo is selfish, abanye bathi it is understandable. Yes, yona it is understandable ukuthi uMakhumalo uzova ubuhlungu, but because uMakhumalo the time beyenzwa kumayeni bekangamboni wrong, ingakho mina ngingamzweli ubuhlungu. If you remember previous season, uMseleku kuke washo ukuthi into eyenza ukuthi umayeni angazwani noMangwabe ukuthi umayeni wayezwana, they knew each other noMangwabe the time, but uMangwabe wabanesibindi sokushada uMusamseleku. uMusamseleku uthena bakangazi-ke ukuthi uMangwabe nomayeni bayazwana, but wathi makase achubeka athandana noMangwabe, umayeni waveza ukuthi no what, this person niyamazi and naye uyangazi, angazi why sekathandana nendoda yami. Vele umayeni ushilo ukuthi we were not friends but we knew each other, of which vele ibuhlungu. Nale ezwisa uMakhumalo ibuhlungu yilokhu ukuthi yena uthi wayefunda nabo umamncane or nabosisi bakamakhwela, so obvious babuye endaweni eyi-1 bazofunda bonke bayazana, so imzwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi uMusa wayazoshada ngakubo bakhulume kahle kangaka. Guys, nje uscene 1 azange abe mude kangako. uMangwabe received a call ukuthi kumele ayolanda umntwana kubo, one of abantwana bakhe, wahamba wayelanda abantwana babuya, umsebenzi waphela. Guys, bahamba ke bobhuti baMusa bayomitha uMakhwela ngaphandle. Indlela uMakhwela bakagcoke ngayo, mina I felt as if akahloniphisanga, because 1 bakangathwelanga ikhanda, 2 bakangavalanga amahlombe. Leyo nto leyo guys akusinto kumele uyele esikolweni ukuze ubuye ekhaya mhlambe eligcina amasiko. Into eyaziyo ukuthi nje mangabe kunomsebenzi noma ngabe ngamakhalane uyahloniphisa, uyathwala ekhanda ufake into evala amahlombe. Kanti ke uMakhwela bekazigcokele traditional dress yakhe nje, azigcokele smart, beka-smart, even though a lot of people ayiso bathi ilokhele belingekho lihle. Mina ngibona ngathi it's just that it looked big, yabo bengathi akusize yakhe, bengathi likhulu inyana kuye, kodwa nje beli-right. Into nje ngibe nenkinga nayo ukuthi bakangathwelanga enhloko, and uMakhwela felt very disappointed uMusa masamtsho ukuthi awukwazi ukungena ngaphakathi ngoba isimo sithi amanye amakhosikazi awafuni ukuthi ungene la ngaphakathi, awakabi ready ukukumitha. On diary then uMakhwela ubuza ukuthi kuyoba into yanini, uMusa wamphendula wathi no, so zesibalinde. Yabo uMusa into engiyithandayo uMakhwela, like I think uza kahle ngoMakhwela ngoba akamniki nje ama-false hope ukuthi hayi ini ngoba ushilo wathi no, bese ngikhulumile noMakhumalo but sizoze sibalinde, so bancenga wena uzozwa ngami. Azange athi bathanda bangathandi bazokwamukela, ushilo wathi so bancenga, so kusho ukuthi noMakhwela lapha alinde khona uyazi ulinde ukuthini, abomamkhulu baze bathambe, abomamkhulu vele abaziwayo manje, or naye mhlawumbe uMakhwela asezwe ngabo azibonele even previous season ukuthi abamamukeli unumber 5, it's uMangwabe nomayeni. So after lapho uMusa had i-meeting namakhosikazi wakhe, and that is where I think uMusa abonile ukuthi uMakhumalo uchintshile, and hayi ukuthi utshintshe kancane, utshintshe kakhulu guys, utshintshe kakhulu. Because on that meeting uMakhumalo uthi aka-understandanga ukuthi why ivakashi bazingayanga ukuyobona uMakhwela kaMacele, cause zifikele kaMacele. Guys, siyibonile muthi ukuthi indaba izavakashi zizozifikela kaMacele, zifikele kaMacele ngoba labo kumele lihlale khona bokungakacedi ukulungisa, hhayi ukuthi zifikele kaMacele ngoba that thing it was planned. I think uMakhumalo lapho uyibhidile mhlawumbe babone abathola kaMacele watshela ukuthi ikhulunye kanjalo. No, azifikelanga kaMacele ngoba ziyenzile, zivele they were planned ukuthi ufika kaMacele. uMacele uzamukele kakhe noSine because vele labo kumele hlala khona bokungakalungi. And uMakhumalo, guys, I think on that meeting nje bakablame uMacele entweni because baveze nendaba yokuthi uMacele, one of the wives laba bebavakashile ke utshele uMakhumalo noMangwabe ukuthi uMacele benzele ivoice note wakatshela ukuthi no, izani ningamkelile ukuthi akusumsebenzi wamadoda kuphela, ningeza nani because uzoba ngumsebenzi wokuthi ubaba uzo-introduce unumber 5, uzosithulela unumber 5 and no kuthiwa uzolobola unumber 5. So nabo bebazi abantu loyo makoti loyo utshele uMakhumalo, and I don't think loyo makoti wrong, mhlambe bebayingcokelela guys ukuthi hayi thina besesizwile ukuthi sizobona number 5 sesiyamangala nina masenisho kanje. uMakhumalo ke mhlambe nimzwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi why kumele uzenze into enjalo knowing so well ukuthi asivumanga, but abavumanga kanjani because umusa uthe uMacele uMakhumalo right, and these two ladies uMakhumalo uMacele bakangazi now, uwazi yesterday ukuthi umusa akabatshelanga ukuthi bayethulela number 5. Mara if you remember on the meeting le uma yeni bakangekho kuyo after bayibona umusa esibhedlela, uye wabathulela uMacele uMakhumalo noMangwabe, waphinde wathulela umayeni on that dinner bebahleli boyi-2 e-restaurant ukuthi you know what kuzoba nento eso, waze washo wathi wamtshela wathi mina sengimbonile kodwa ubabakhe uzonithulela makayenza umsebenzi. Yeah, understand. I felt as if amakhosikazi ukublema uMacele, it was wrong of them. It was wrong of them, to be honest, because uMacele naye unkosikazi and uMacele there were times whereby uMakhumalo bengasapota umuso ngezinto bona bangavumelani nazo. No one blame uMakhumalo. Instead bokumangwa umayeni bekalwisa uMakhumalo. uMacele has never ukuthi alwisa uMakhumalo ukuthi no what wena usupport ubaba nasentweni is wrong. So manje ngoba uMacele usupporta ubabakhe, no, so go wrong. Yabona guys, umayeni mina ngisasho nama umayeni nje udelela lokho akhuluma kahle, and I think umayeni uyambonisa umusa. Umayeni umbuzile umusa ukwenzelani ukuthi uthi kuyithi uyenza umsebenzi kanti uzothula number 5 ubuwazi, and the way from statements amayeni ngicabanga ukuthi mayeni sekavumile ukuthi number 5 athathe ngoba uthe uyazi mina nawe sikhulume kanjani amakhamera angekho. Musa uthi masubona amakhamera utshintsha inkulumo, uyazi ukuthi bese ngithe mlethe no number 5 wakho, manje awusasho ngani ukuthi uzoletha number 5. Guys, mina I for one I just felt as if uMsamsele was wrong for not telling uMangwabe nomayeni. Ngimile nje lapho I felt as if he was wrong, but kumele abatshele abancenge mababeza abeza. Anyway, you know sometimes ma umuntu uzothi yenza into wrong uthi uhlaza umuntu kanti uhlaza wena, because even that uMacele nomayeni they did to uMakhumalo for not attending umshado kaMakhumalo, bebathi bazwisa uMakhumalo ubuhlungu, but thina sibonele iside labo ukuthi lamakhosikazi labo ubumbana abakuthandi futhi ukuthula abanako, because there's no way ukuthi kungathi la ekhaya kunento ungayi-attend le nto leyo. Guys, ngikhohliwe on scene 1 angithi umusa uhambile wayobikela uGoFlow nabantu bakuba balala ukuthi umsebenzi ubonga impilo and uyavuma igift le abamphe yona nento eyiningi. Umayeni ke azange aye emsamo, uMakhumalo azange aye emsamo, uMangwabe bangangekho emsamo. Umaweni West favorite yethu beyikhona egcekeni, but she felt then there's no need ukuthi yena aye lapha. Yabo one thing engiyibonile ngamakhosikazi kaMsamsele, abanayo unity, abanawo umthetho. Umsamsele kumele ababisele makuba bafundisa umthetho, ngoba thina sazi ukuthi mangabe ugane la khona kushisa impepho khona, mangabe umyeni wakho uthi kuzoba nomsebenzi, you attend umsebenzi. Awuthi wena attend umsebenzi ngoba you don't feel like, or wena attend umsebenzi ngoba inkolelo yakho ithi mawushade abantwini abakhonza ebuphakameni nawe soyokhonza ebuphakameni, or yenza yingakho bathi noma kushadisa if ebukhweni bathola bandisa nawe ufamba moyeni nabo. If uthole ebukhweni basonta esonteni elithize uyenza leyo nkolelo lapho ngoba wena usaweli kini sovota ngalo kuleya muzi, but asazi ke thina maba bayala amakhosikazi kaMseleku babale kanjani. One thing I've noticed, they have freedom enkulu, or I don't know whether they are pushing content, but le abayenzayo balimba bagcikela isithunzi somyeni wabo phansi, and nabo basicikela isithunzi labo phansi, bona saying ukuthi angazi they are fighting for ama-rights wabo while they are doing a wrong thing. uMsamsele is so very disappointed. uMakhumalo uze wamtshela wathi uMakhumalo lo ngahlangana naye amncane akusesowuye lo, so manje sekayavuma ukuthi kusho ukuthi umgqumile uMakhumalo, uthi uMakhumalo wavume wahlangana naye amncane akusuye lo, ambona manje. And nathi siyasho ukuthi uma kukhuluma lo wa-the previous season akusuwuye lo. Yabona bayasho ukuthi umuntu makazwise ubuhlungu. Mafuna ubona umuntu umzwisa ubuhlungu. So uma kukhuluma like guess ukhathele and into ukuthi umusa athathe umakhelwane wakhe umzwisa ubuhlungu kuko konke. That is all for now bazali bami. So please comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.